It's really great to welcome Scott here today to TICA, our main facilities in Darlington and our only training centre. And he's come to have a tour of the site. Scott was an apprentice himself. He studied with us back in 2014. The workshop's expanded a lot. There's a lot of changes in terms of what the apprentices learn and the output and that sort of thing. So he's come to have a tour, meet and talk to some of his apprentices, and today he's also going to be presenting some awards to two of our learners that have done really well over the last 2 weeks in this block release.
So I've recently started a new position within Gill Insulation, who I started my apprenticeship with. I've been brought in as a contracts manager now. I started in 2014 and then a new level got introduced, which was the level 3, it was more of a fabrication apprenticeship, but they also went into the supervision side of it. So that's when I kind of got my eye on a potential job in the office as a contracts manager. So the skills that I've learned at TICA have been practically used on site, but also the office-based stuff which I learnt here.
I think it's important for them to kind of see how their career can be mapped out. You know, a thermal insulation apprenticeship, it's a career, it's a job for life. And I think seeing that in context, seeing someone who has a really successful career, who's a young person, who's kind of gone through the same route as them, allows them to kind of see how positive an apprenticeship can be and all of the things that it can offer.
He's a role model in this industry because obviously he's gone and done stuff in Australia, and now he's built himself up and he's a manager at Gills, who I work for. And obviously seeing him like now being able to award these awards is something I look up to, and hopefully one day I can achieve the same level as what he's done.
If I could give one piece of advice to new apprentices, it'd be the attitude. If you come to TICA with a positive attitude, you will do well. The colleagues around you will be more inclined to help, the tutors will be more inclined to help. It gets them qualifications, but then we can also guarantee the quality of our work because they've been trained properly in the right facilities. It's always going to be a positive bringing young apprentices through an apprenticeship at TICA. It's been really good, and it'll be interesting to see the quality of work which they're applying now to the end of the apprenticeship. So I think I'll try and have more visits in the future. I spent a lot of time here, so it was nice. It felt like coming home.